How to post trending aspect ratio reels on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open camera and go to video. Then click the video you want. After you've clicked the video, you can click on Photos and open Photos app. Click on the video you have or you just clicked. From here, at the bottom, click on Edit. After you click on Edit in here, click on Crop. After you click on Crop, and simply crop it to the ratio you want and press on Save. After you've saved it, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the plus button at the bottom. Then select the video you just cropped and you can share it in the ratio. This is how to post trending aspect ratio reels on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.